We hear the lions in pain they roar. We see the seals on the Siberian shore. There is no baby in the kangaroo's pouch. The tigers don't find a reason to crouch. The human smoke makes a hole in the sky. The golden eagle is now afraid to fly. The trees no more can carry a nest. We use up the wood to take rest. The beauty of sunrise is lost, and we worry about the rise in fuel cost. Rivers dry, birds aloud they cry. The cattle in fear they sigh. It hurts to see the elephants die. The polar bears lose their life because of global warming. Intelligent species as we are, still we don't see the nature's warning.